You're ready to partner with Tenpoint Complete. Now, what's next? Let's walk through how we get you up and running fast and seamlessly. First, we begin with an initial consultation and scope alignment. We'll meet with your leadership and operations teams to understand your goals, service requirements, touch points, systems, and performance targets. Together, we define the scope, success metrics, and key milestones. Next, we move into setup and integration. Our team gains secure access to your systems and platforms, configures our workflows to match yours, and connects our tools to yours so our agents operate as an extension of your brand. Then comes training. We train our dedicated agents on your company voice, scripts, processes, escalation paths, and service protocols. We align on expectations, walk through typical scenarios, and ensure agents are equipped with the right tools and knowledge from day one. We'll also map out the timeline, expectations, and first deliverables within a set time frame. You'll see our agents live begin handling your contacts, start delivering your service goals, and you'll receive regular check-ins, reports, and feedback loops to track progress and performance. At Tenpoint Complete, onboarding isn't just plug and play, it's a structured partnership designed to set you up for success. Ready to launch? Visit tenpointcomplete.com and let's get your service journey started together.